Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be swatching the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. I recently got this in the mail and I'm so excited. I love bright colors, so of course I'm excited for those. So if you want to see swatches, just keep watching. So now that we've seen the swatches, let's talk about them. First off, this palette doesn't come with a mirror, which is sad. I wish more Morphe palettes would, but it's whatever. I actually really like how this palette swatched. I wasn't too sure about it. I actually bought this palette twice. I ended up giving my first one to my friends since I didn't think I would get use out of this palette, but with everything going on in the world, I wanted more palettes to play with, and this color scheme still gets me. Honestly, the shimmers are very lackluster. As you guys can see, most of the shimmers aren't pigmented, or they all look very similar. In the pan, the brown shades, the brown mattes look very similar, but as you can see swatched, they do have different tones to them, so that's good at least. But I'm here for the bright shades, and honestly, all the bright shades swatched really well. Matte-wise, some of the shimmers were kind of meh, but I really like it. Oh, and if you guys are wondering what's on my nails, it's Holo Taco. I love Holo Taco so much. Other than the shimmers, the only shades I had problems with were basically the yellow. And there wasn't any real staining with these darker shades, which I'm happy about. But the yellow matte looks like it looks a little bit crusty. Like it doesn't look great, honestly. But overall, I'm kind of in love with this palette. I'm definitely excited to do bright looks with all the bright shades. I definitely do also think that this palette is a bit big, but I like the bright shades, so that's why I got them. I didn't get them for the neutrals, of course. Y'all know me, I am a bright makeup bitch. Thank you guys so much for watching these swatches. If you enjoyed, subscribe, comment down below any videos you'd like to see me do. Go follow my Instagram, Makeup by TajXO, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
As soon as I get set up, you gotta be here, don't ya? Don't you, you brat? You stepped on me, Peeler! No, why would you do this? Why would you do this? Why? Who do you think you are? Okay, hi. You're a brat.